Hi, good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. Let me explain about my situation so that you can help me in a better way, shall I?
Yes, please. That would be wonderful.
I am running small business in my home. I have around 2 to 3 computers.
Okay.
I tried with wired keyboard, wireless keyboard, wired and wireless mouses, and I spent a lot of money. I don't want to spend any more. I just want to try it one more time. Do you have a keyboard and mouse which connects to multiple computers? And I feel ashamed to say I don't have lot of money right now, and I don't want to spend lot of money to purchase.
I totally understand your situation, no worries. I am here to help you. Just purchase one set of wireless keyboard which is of good quality, and I will let you know a secret about the software that will help with your current issues.
Oh my God, you are lifesaver. Please let me know what it is.
No problem, it's my duty to help you. I will call my computer expert and my computer guru to call you and help you with your issue. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi friends, I'm from LVS TECH BUDDY. As you have seen in the video, I helped my struggling friend by installing a software called Mouse Without Borders or Magic Mouse. Yes, I saved her some money and showed this little small trick. A lot of people do not know about this. They spend a lot of money in purchasing multiple mouses and keyboards. So I decided to share this knowledge. Please remember, you can use this program only on Windows computers. Right now, there is an option to download it from Microsoft Store as it was launched through Microsoft Garage. You can use this program and connect up to 4 computers. So it will be advantageous if you run a small office or work from home, or at times you may need to use it on more than one computer. Mouse Without Borders is a software developed by Microsoft that allows you to control multiple computers while using a single mouse and keyboard. It enables seamless drag and drop functionality between connected computers, making it convenient to transfer files and data. Mouse Without Borders also synchronizes the clipboard across the connected computers, allowing you to copy and paste content between them easily. Mouse Without Borders is handy if you have multiple computers on same network, such as a desktop and a laptop, and want to seamlessly control them without constantly switching between input devices. It is a convenient solution for multitasking or working with multiple systems simultaneously. I will let you know how to download and use this free and incredible software provided by Microsoft. Please click on the link to download the software. The link will be provided in the description area, or go to Google and search for Mouse Without Borders. Download the software by going to the link and click download, and you will need to install it on all the computers that you wish to use this feature. Once you install the software, you can see a window says getting started on the main computer. Please click on no, which will create a security key and your computer name, and go to the other computers and open the software. On the second or other computers, you need to click on yes on the getting started window. There you can see the option to enter the C code and the main computer name. Please type the code that you see on the main computer and the computer name. Once you enter the information, it will connect those computer. It will say all done and it completed. You will get an interface there. You can see a lot of options. Please try to play with it. It is incredible. Enjoy this wonderful program provided by Microsoft. Bye bye.